Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create your own Pinterest board. Let's get right into the video. You probably want to know what exactly are Pinterest boards. Pinterest boards are functions of the Pinterest social media platform. Places where users can pin, share, and discuss content around specific topics. In other words, Pinterest boards are where you save, collect, and organize your pins. These boards can be used to organize your business pins so that people can easily browse your profile or explore your ideas. Pinterest boards comes in three forms. The first form is the collaborative form, and this is where multiple users can add content. The second form is the personal form. This is where one user can add content. And the third form is the private form. This is where one user can add hidden content. I created this Pinterest page just for this tutorial, so you will find that it is pretty empty. Once you log into Pinterest, it will take you to this page. The first thing you want to do is click on your profile icon. Once you have clicked on the profile icon, it will bring you here. The next step is to scroll down and click on that plus sign that you see. Once you click on the plus sign, you will see pin and board. So you can either create your pins or create your board. In today's video, our main focus is to create boards. After clicking on board, the next step is very important. You need to add a name. Say for example, you are advertising shoes. You don't just want to put shoes. You should put something that is quite popular and that persons will click on. So here I have opened another browser. You can always search for the most popular used keyword. Once you have typed in shoes, you will see the most used keywords that persons use.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you.
Depending on the product that you want to showcase, you can choose your name based on that. For this tutorial, I went with shoes for work. Remember earlier I explained what private boards are? You can always click right here if you want your board to be private. If you don't want it to be private, just click create. And there you have it, your board is created. The next step is to save some pins to your board. Since I have created this page just for this tutorial, I didn't upload any pins. So just to show you how to save your pins to your board, I am going to use someone else's pin. Saving pins to your board is pretty simple. All you need to do is click on your pin, press save, and you are done. After saving your pins to the board, you can always edit or delete those pins. Also, if the name of your board doesn't suit you, you can go ahead and edit your board. There are some other things that you can do when you create your boards. Once you have created your board, you will see a lot of options, and you can also share your board to different platforms. Another thing is that you can invite collaborators by copying this link and sending it to them. This wraps it up for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye!